Hey folks, Adam here. And if you follow some of my creative projects, you'll know that I make a lot of action figures. And a lot of you ask, well, Adam, how do you make those action figures? How do you make them so lifelike and realistic? Well, for me, 3D printing is the answer. And these heads have been 3D printed, and then I'm going to show you how I do it. Currently, we have the Tina2S V10, and it is printing right as we speak. You see it in the background. It was very easy to set up. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and print the custom heads. And they're absolutely fantastic that I can take old action figures. Like this was a Dynamite Kid action figure that I cut the head off, printed a Paul Roma action figure, used a little bit of clay and repainted him to make him Pretty Boy Paul Roma from 80s wrestling. We've got a Terry Funk that we also, I believe this was a Dynamite Kid or a Davey Boy Smith that we customized, printed the head, painted it on, just like that. And it's doing it right here. Now, we've got a ton of these action figures, including Amy from Shopping with Amy, Kevin Sullivan. You can see that head 3D printed, and Crazy Man Knievel in the background. Fantastic fun. And think about this, you can pretty much print anything you want. There's all sorts of files available. You can customize and make your own files. And this is a great product when it comes to being able to produce your own content. Now with the Tina, the Tina2S version 10, this is the easiest to use 3D printer on the market. I can tell you as a frustrated artist how many 3D printers I've gone through that just don't deliver. The bed doesn't heat up right. They don't angle correctly. You wind up scratching the bed when you're using it. Not this. Everything is pre-done, set up, ready to go out of the box. All you do is connect this little plastic cable here. Comes with some filament. You can get filament of different colors and different brands. This pretty much comes set up out of the box, and you'll see that in the up-close portion of the video. Now you can connect it to your phone and print. It has a whole bunch of designs that you can print from their store. Our first couple attempts was this little product here, and for Halloween we even did a scary skull, and then we painted over it accordingly. And this is great. I just get a little primer, a little modeling paint, and I'm able to paint these guys custom to my liking. Right now we've got the included white filament printing out a boat, and in the app, which ties in so easily, you just select what you want to print. They've got an entire library of fun things that you can print. Little action figures, little cutesy dolls, whatever you may be into. Maybe you just need a little piece to connect a hose. It's got it all in there, and that's available in your app store. Now, the thing is, most 3D printer videos have a lot of setup. This isn't gonna need that because it comes, like I said, pretty much out of the box. You connect this plastic hose, you set your filament on the side, you plug it in, you let it get up to temperature, and it's good to go. Now, I'm currently using the TF card, which was included to print, and it's got preloaded elements that you can go ahead and print from there. You can use your app, etc., and you can even use your USB right here to your laptop. So many different ways to get the information here, and just think of it as a normal printer that's already pre-set up and easy to use. Now, if you're looking for something that has unlimited potential to increase your kids' ability, imagination, and fun, this is a great one for kids. You can see there's all sorts of fun stuff that you can download, whether it's a rocket ship or a cool ball or a little bicycle. There's all sorts of stuff that you can print on your own. But yeah, this is great for full-grown people too that have goofy hobbies as well. This one you will not limit your creativity. So folks, right here, it's already laid the bed while I'm talking. It's actually very fast. And just in the time that we've been talking, it's about 4% done. So I can just leave it. The other thing is it's quiet, and there isn't an icky smell that a lot of 3D printers have been known for. There's not the airs and the frustration that a lot of 3D printers are known for. It's efficient, and it's from a reputable company. And I gotta say, this is a company that's been doing this for a long period of time, and they've finally worked out all the bugs. And that's what's most exciting to me, is a company that's worked out all the bugs and able to print and print and print. All right, folks, you can go ahead. They give you a recommended slicer program. You can get your G-code files and you can go ahead and start printing right away. I personally like to transfer them from my computer to here using the TF card and print how I like. You can also do it on the app. So many different ways to do this. Very easy. And I would say it's about as difficult as connecting a set of earbuds to Bluetooth. It's about that hard to set up. It's really, really simple. All right, folks, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and get your action figure, your collection. There's Crazy Man. We got Snowman Jones in the other room. We got a lot of fun things. Get your creativity. Whatever you are looking to build and create, this is a fun way to do it. What are you waiting for? Get to shopping. I'm Adam. Stick around. We've got the unbox up close portion of the video. So if you want to see everything that comes in the box, that's there. But if your question is, should you pick it up? I'm going to give it a resounding yes. Stick around for the up close portion of the video. All right, folks, now it's time for the up close portion of the video where you get to see it out of the BOX. The Tina2S 3D printer, one piece, and gross weight of 11.2 pounds. Very compact size, a very nice design, and yeah, I can't wait to show it off to you, and I think you're gonna love it as much as I do. Very excited about this. So let's see what it looks like coming out. Now, for those of you who don't 3D print, you need to get to it because there's so much fun that you can have with it. I can show you the 3D printing I've done is spectacular. There's so many different options, sizes, you can paint things, and this is fantastic. Now, okay, first and foremost, we do see there's some customer information, as well as the quick start guide. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at that first and foremost, right? You're gonna wanna see that for you people that are tech experts and ech-techsperts, as the power cable is included, the power supply, the USB, the filament, the solid glue, the couple wrenches, the L-shaped, the nozzle, the needle nozzle, the Type-C, your card reader, and the TF card so you can store that data right there or transfer it accordingly. Okay, the screen, the TF card socket, the filament holder, the extruder, the platform, the nozzle, the X end stop, proximity sensor, and the knob, all right there. All the specs. Print is in G-code format, G-code, folks. And yeah, really nice stuff. So you remove the bubble wrap, peel off the tape near the lead screw, remove the shaft shell, press in the tube, and plug in and turn on the printer. Really seemingly very straightforward to get started. Let's zoom out. A lot of people like to hear an unboxing. Let's hear it for a second. There it is. A lot of fun noises come out of an unboxing. All right, so very good stuff there. We're gonna go ahead and put the styrofoam back in the box and check it out. Now, it did say we have to remove some of these tapes, so I imagine these will just come right off. Looks like it is wrapped around. There's the styrofoam they talked about removing. Very easy there. And yeah, what a great brand. I've heard so many good things about this brand, and that makes me happy that they're really doing great work time and time again, that they get such a good reputation. And a brand's reputation is more important than you think. When it comes down to it, they put a lot of tape on here. We're getting it. We're getting it slowly but surely here, folks. And don't call me Shirley. All right, so looks like that's wrapped around there. Wrapped around one more time. Got it. Got-y. Okay, and then there's another piece of tape in here holding everything together. It's good that they've just gone ahead and done that so it doesn't flop around during shipping, messing up the calibration for you. So that is a nice aspect. Really in there pretty well, though. Really in there pretty well. So yeah, it looks like you have a power supply and a USB on the side. Easy peasy. Slowly but surely getting this tape off. Use some high quality tape there. You're not going to tear through that. You can unwrap it. There we go. Got the second piece of tape off that they talked about. Setting it up accordingly. Remove the shaft coupling. Remove the tip. Let's see. And good stuff there. All right, so they did talk about coming with a glue stick. Very nice. There's your wrenches, your Allen wrenches. Plugs right into a standard outlet. They have vacuum sealed the filament for your pleasure. And of course, that USB A to C. I'm gonna get the Polo Print app and we're gonna get to printing. So you see everything that came out of the box, the BOX, the TOP to the DOG. Peel all those protective plastics and layers there for you. And yeah, if you're looking for something that can't be beat, a brand that is absolutely elite. Let's get some light on this subject. What a great brand. The new Tina2S, better than the old Tina. This thing is fantastic. All right, folks, you know I love and appreciate you. If you are looking for the best of the best in filament-based printing, guess what? This guy has you covered. Look at that. How easy is that? How straightforward is that? Setup has never been simpler. Some of these can take literally hours to set up. So folks, go check it out. You will not be disappointed. You know I love and appreciate you, and go get one. Goodbye, my friends.